Okay, we have to start this a healthy diet. The food that you usually eat are called your diet. What is your diet? The food that you usually eat. Usually mean the food that we eat in our daily routine, in our daily life. You need different kinds of food in your diet if you are to stay healthy. Why the diet is so important? To stay healthy. You cannot live on a diet of only sweets and chocolate. For example, let me read. You just have to listen carefully. All right. Okay. You cannot live on a diet of only sweets and chocolate. For example, this would be bad for your teeth. Chocolates are bad for your teeth, and you will get cavities. Got it? You know that? You know that?
Yes.
That if you will eat more chocolates, you will get cavities. And your body would not stay healthy if it only had one or two foods like this. Got it? Now we are going to talk about a balanced diet. A balanced diet. A balanced diet is something which is suitable for our health, which keeps us healthy and strong. Okay, and that is not harmful. So listen carefully. I'll ask you questions. If your body is to stay healthy, it needs what is called a balanced diet. This means you have to eat foods from different groups as well as drinking lots of water. There are three main groups of foods, and your body uses each group in a different way. So how many groups are there? There are three main groups of food. You just have to keep this point in your mind, that how many food groups are there? Three main food groups are there. Okay, so we are going to talk about them. Come to the next page. Meat, fish, eggs, cheese, peas, beans, and lentils contain lots of protein. These help your body to grow and repair itself. Got it? They also help to build healthy muscles. So all these, I'm going to ask you a question. Listen. Look over here. Look over here. Look at this line. Meat, fish, eggs, cheese, peas, beans, and lentils contains lots of what is this? Proteins. Lots of protein, and protein is very important for health. These help your body to grow and repair itself. Got it? They also help to build healthy muscles. They also help to build healthy muscles. Okay, come to the next one. Bread, potatoes, rice, and other cereals and pasta give us energy. So you have to keep these points in your mind, that what type of food gives us healthy body, muscles, and what type of food grows our body, and what type of food repairs our body, and what type of food gives us energy. Okay, bread, potatoes, rice, and other cereals and pasta give us energy. Now, butter, margarine, cooking oil, the fat of meat, and fried foods give even more energy. But excessive use of these is bad. You know that. Okay? Excessive use of all these types of food, like butter, margarine, cooking oil, fat of meat, and fried food. Fried food like what? That every day you ask me to, Mama, bring me burger. That's also fried food. And if you will eat that excessively, it will be bad for your health. It will make you fat, and everybody will call you mota. Got it? Come to the next. Okay, come to the next line. Cakes, biscuits, chocolate, and sweets give us energy quickly. There are some food, they give us quick energy. Sometimes we need some immediate energy when we don't have anything cooked in fridge, when we don't have anything cooked in the kitchen. So we need some snacks. We need some other snacks that give us quick energy. Okay, they fulfill our immediate requirement of hunger. Okay, cakes, biscuits, chocolate and sweets give us energy quickly. You have to keep it in your mind. Okay, if you ate more energy of food than you need, the body stores the energy as fat to use later. That is why you should not eat too much of them. So this is the reason we are not supposed to eat all these things excessively more than our body needs. Okay, like we cannot eat cakes every day, we cannot eat chocolates every day. You do that.
No.
You do that, but you like every time you ask me to bring me chocolate, to bring me cake, and every day you give me suggestions whenever I ask you what to eat. Shahir, come over here, don't go there. That is why you should not eat too much of them. Got it? Now, food for healthy living. You also need a substance called fiber. Substance called fiber. There we talked about protein. Now we are going to talk about fiber. These are substances which are essential for our body, healthy body. Okay, fruits and vegetables. You have to keep these points also in your mind. Okay, where is the fiber? Where from where our body finds fiber? From fruits and vegetables, brown bread, cereals, and brown rice are foods that contain plenty of fiber. Okay, they help to carry. Okay, brown rice, they help to carry the waste food away from our body. If we do not eat enough fiber, we find it very difficult to or painful to go to the lavatory. You got the point? Yeah, we also need foods to keep us healthy and help our bodies to fight off diseases. To fight off mean to fight off, to fight against. Okay, to fight against the diseases. Fresh fruits and vegetables will help to do these things. Okay, now we are going to write the answers for the given questions.